Hey there, fellow clean freaks and vacuum enthusiasts. Welcome back to Top Rated Reviews. Today, we have an incredible lineup of some of the most powerful and innovative vacuum cleaners on the market. We'll be diving deep into their features, performance, and how they fare in real-world cleaning scenarios. So, if you're on the hunt for the perfect cleaning companion, you're in the right place. Each of these vacuum cleaners has its own unique strengths and features, and we're here to put them to the test. From sleek designs to advanced technology, we'll be exploring every nook and cranny of these cleaning machines. But wait, we need your help too. If you're a fan of any of these vacuums or have experience with them, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights and questions will shape our review and help our community make informed decisions. So, if you're as excited as we are to witness the cleaning showdown, hit that like button and please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming vacuum cleaner reviews. Links to the vacuums in this review are posted in the description to this video. Number 5. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum is a top-tier cleaning companion designed to tackle tough messes and pet hair with ease. With its powerful suction and self-adjusting cleaner head, it effortlessly transitions between different floor types. The innovative ball technology ensures smooth maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. Its hygienic bin emptying and advanced filtration system make it an ideal choice for pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. If you're looking for a high-performance vacuum that can handle any mess, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum is an excellent investment for your home. Number 4. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Canister Vacuum is a reliable and efficient cleaning tool. With its strong suction power and high-quality design, it effortlessly tackles dirt and debris on various surfaces. The lightweight canister design allows for easy maneuverability, while the air clean filtration system ensures clean air as you clean. Although it lacks some advanced features, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction offers exceptional performance and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a dependable canister vacuum for their cleaning needs. Number 3. The Bissell Clean View Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum is a game-changer for pet owners. With powerful suction and specialized pet tools, it effortlessly tackles pet hair and debris from carpets and upholstery. The swivel steering allows easy navigation around furniture, while the edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no dirt is left behind. Its washable filter and easy to empty dirt bin add to the convenience. If you're looking for an affordable and effective solution to keep your home pet hair-free, the Bissell Clean View Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum is a top choice. Number 2, the Shark Vertex Duo Clean Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that excels on both carpets and hard floors. With its dual brush rolls and powerful suction, it effortlessly lifts dirt and debris, leaving floors spotless. The cordless design and long-lasting battery provide freedom of movement, while the XL Dust Cup reduces frequent emptying. Its ergonomic build and LED lights make cleaning easy, even in tight spaces. The Shark Vertex Duo Clean offers a seamless cleaning experience, making it an excellent choice for busy households seeking efficiency and convenience. Number 1, Dyson V15 Detect is a game-changing vacuum cleaner that redefines the cleaning experience. Its innovative laser detect technology reveals hidden dust and debris, ensuring a thorough clean. With a powerful Dyson Hyperdymium motor generating 230 air watts of suction, it leaves no room for dirt to escape. The intelligent LCD screen provides real-time performance data, while the advanced filtration system captures 99.99% of allergens, promoting a healthier home. Sleek design, ergonomic build, and user-friendly features make the V15 Detect a must-have for tech-savvy homeowners seeking top-notch performance and convenience in one exceptional vacuum. Thanks for tuning in to Top-Rated Reviews. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future reviews. Let us know in the comments what other products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy cleaning!